You got a toy, Roxy. What a treat.
Roxy.
Roxy, we have someone for you to meet. It's okay.
What is?
It's okay. Roxy, it's okay. Don't be scared. Roxy's scared.
It's okay. It's okay.
Shh. It's okay.
You have to live with her, so.
Nice and slow.
You let her down?
Go ahead.
Let her down?
Yeah. It's okay.
Stay right there.
Give her, pet her. It's okay. Just pet her.
It's okay. You don't have to be mean.
It's okay.
Hey.
Roxy's getting more curious. She's getting a little scared. Roxy, hey. Roxy, hey. Okay. It's all right. Good girl. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl.
Be nice.
Good girl.
Roxy, Roxy.
Roxy, come here.
Don't be kitty.
It's okay. Roxy, come here. Want a cookie? Come here. Good girl.
Hey.
Here.
Be nice. Hey!
Okay. Okay. It's going to take a little time.
This could be bad.
No, it's going to be fine. Just going to take a little time.
She's a sweet kitty.
Good
Just
girl, Boots.
not with other dogs. Hey,
That's all right.
be nice.
That's enough introduction for one night. We'll do a little more tomorrow. Good girl, Boots.